Hello everyone, we are Salud Outreach, a student group from the University of the Pacific Thomas J. Long School of Pharmacy, and welcome to our virtual Salud Outreach Health Fair. In this virtual health fair, we'll be discussing 5 topics related to the pandemic and COVID-19. Each day we'll release a video about a new topic. We hope you find this educational and informational. But before we begin, we'd like to state that the following information provided is not intended to be a substitute for advice given by a qualified medical representative. This brings us to today's topic. Today we'll be discussing the importance of hand washing. Why is hand washing important? Hand washing is the most effective way to protect yourself and your loved ones from getting sick. Hand washing helps prevent the spread of germs and diseases, including the coronavirus, which causes COVID-19. How do germs spread? Germs can be spread through multiple ways, such as touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands, preparing or eating food and drinks with unwashed hands, touching a contaminated object or surface, or coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose, then coming into contact with other people or objects. When to wash your hands. Examples of when to wash your hands include before, during, and after preparing food, before and after eating food, before and after caring for someone who is sick, after using the toilet or changing a diaper, before and after treating a cut or wound, after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose, as well as after coming home from work or a public place. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, the CDC also recommends to wash your hands before and after touching your eyes, nose, or mouth, touching your mask, entering and leaving a public place, and touching an object or surface that is frequently touched by others, such as door handles or shopping carts. So how to properly wash your hands? First, wet your hands with clean, running water, turn off the tap, and apply soap. Second, lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Be sure to lather the backs of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. Third, scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Need a timer? Hum the happy birthday song from beginning to end twice. Fourth, rinse hands well under clean running water. The fifth and final step, dry hands using a clean towel or simply air dry them. What if you can't wash your hands? If you cannot wash your hands at the moment, you can use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol to clean your hands. Hand sanitizer quickly reduces the number of germs on your hands. However, it doesn't get all germs and is not as effective when hands are dirty or greasy. It also doesn't remove harmful chemicals like pesticides and heavy metals. Because hand sanitizer contains alcohol, please keep it out of the reach of young children and supervise their use. Swallowing can cause alcohol poisoning. How to use hand sanitizer. First, apply the product to the palm of one hand enough to cover the surface of both hands. Next, rub your hands together. And finally, rub the product all over your hands and in between your fingers until dry. This should take about 20 seconds. In addition to hand washing, other tips to follow to prevent the spread of COVID-19 include to remember to wear a mask when out in public, staying 6 feet apart from others and avoiding crowds, as well as staying home if you suspect you might be infected. For more information on hand washing, please visit the CDC website. This concludes our presentation on hand washing. Thank you for attending this portion of our virtual Salud Outreach Health Fair.